How to contact Booking.com customer care. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily call and talk with the Booking.com customer care service. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the Booking.com app and log in if you haven't already. Then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Contact Customer Care Service. Then tap on Get Help with a Booking. Select a category. Scroll down, tap on More Options and tap on Call Customer Service. Remember, if you call on this number, local charges apply to in-country phone numbers and extra fees may apply to international numbers. To call and talk to the customer care service, simply tap on the number and tap on Call. So this is how you contact Booking.com customer care service.